Let's have a look at the new impact-resistant safety goggles from Wurth. Look, these are a brand new pair of goggles. Let's see how resistant they really are. What if someone would stand on it with their full weight? Would they break? Let's try it. Look, somebody's full weight and they didn't break. Now, let's try jumping on it. If it was a normal pair of glasses, they would definitely break. But with these safety impact-resistant goggles, they seem to be fine. Look, they're still as new. Here we have a pair of the most common used safety goggles. Let's see how strong these safety goggles are. Let's try and put some weight on them and see what happens. Wow, they immediately break. Even with just a little bit of weight on them, they immediately break completely in half. Not very safe for safety goggles. Okay, now let's try something stronger to make a break. Alright, these are a new pair of glasses as well. This time, let's try to hit it with a hammer and see what happens. Okay, first hit they didn't break. Now let's try a harder hit and see what happens. Wow, that looked like a hard hit. Let's see what they look like. They are a little scratched, but they did not shatter. The glasses are still in one piece. So even with a hard hit, you can rest assured that the safety impact-resistant goggles will protect your eyes. Now let's try the ultimate test. Drive over the glasses with a car. As you can see, it's a new pair. Let's put it underneath the tires and see what happens. Okay, here goes. Let's see how the glasses will hold up. Ooh, that looks bad. Let's see what they look like now. Wow, that's incredible. Even with the full weight of a car driving over the glasses, they did not break. Just like the high-quality car, we have high-quality glasses, made by Wurth from Germany. Now we're going to test its resistance by providing a much stronger impact. This time we'll use a shotgun. The shotgun can produce 400 millisecond speed while the bullets hit the goggles. Look, even though the bullets left a lot of holes in the glasses, they did not go through. Now let's have a look at its main features. First of all, the brand new arch frame provides you with a comfortable feeling while wearing it. Secondly, it's made out of polycarbonate optical protective glasses, which means that they're durable, lightweight, anti-scratch, and impact resistant. Also, the product has 99% anti-UV protection, which means that it protects your eyes from UV rays from the sun while wearing them. And maybe most importantly, it has a sporty look to it, so they look good while you wear it as well. Furthermore, for your own safety, it complies with the EN 166-2001 standards, making it safety guaranteed. So all these features combined, you should try and get a pair as soon as possible. Don't miss it.